This is the iFixIt Pro Tech Toolkit, a comprehensive toolset designed for repairing electronics like computers, smartphones, tablets, gaming consoles, and a whole lot more. The kit includes 64 precision driver bits, multiple tweezers, a flexible extension, and an anti-static wristband, which is ideal for safely handling sensitive electrical components without causing damage. All the tools are stored securely in a magnetic case with a foam insert that not only keeps everything organized, but also doubles as a sorting tray for small parts during repairs. In addition, you'll find 3 opening tools, 6 opening picks, a suction handle, and several types of spudges for more intricate tasks, like a smartphone screen replacement. There are also various tweezers, including nylon-tipped and angled options, for handling delicate parts with precision. The toolkit's highlight is its 64-bit precision driver, which is durable, comfortable to hold, and features a rotating cap for added ease during use. The magnetic tips ensure screws are securely held in place, making repairs easier, especially in tight spaces. It even comes with a 150mm flex extension, allowing you to access hard-to-reach areas at different angles. Plus, the toolkit is designed for long-lasting use and comes with a lifetime warranty, so iFixIt will replace anything that breaks for as long as you own it. That's the iFixIt Pro Tech Toolkit, a versatile and well-designed set for anyone looking to take on DIY electronics repairs. And at $75, you certainly get what you pay for. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more.